Welcome to this guided chakra healing meditation. In the next minutes, we'll journey through your body's energy centers, releasing blockages and restoring balance. By the end of this session, you'll feel grounded, clear, and aligned. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air filling your lungs. Hold for a moment and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body relaxing with each breath. Now, bring your attention to the base of your spine, to your root chakra. Picture a warm red light glowing at the base of your spine. This is your center of stability and security. As you breathe, imagine this red light growing brighter, grounding you to the earth. Feel yourself becoming steady, strong, and secure. Now, shift your focus to your lower abdomen, just below your navel, where your sacral chakra resides. Imagine a soft, orange glow radiating in this area. This is your center of creativity, passion, and joy. As you breathe, see this orange light expanding, filling your lower body with warmth and vibrancy. Allow yourself to release any tension or blockages, embracing your creative energy. Now, move your attention to your solar plexus just above your navel. Imagine a bright yellow light glowing here, like a radiant sun. This is your center of personal power and confidence. With each breath, feel this yellow light growing brighter, empowering you with confidence and strength. Let go of any self-doubt and embrace your inner power. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest, to your heart chakra. Visualize a beautiful green light here glowing softly. This is your center of love, compassion, and connection. As you breathe, imagine this green light expanding, filling your entire chest with warmth and openness. Let go of any past hurts, allowing yourself to heal and open up to love. Now, focus on your throat, the center of communication and self-expression. Visualize a bright blue light glowing here. As you breathe, see this blue light expanding, clearing any blockages and allowing you to speak your truth with clarity and confidence. Feel your throat opening, freeing your voice. Shift your focus to the center of your forehead, between your eyebrows, where your third eye chakra resides. Picture a deep indigo light glowing here. This is your center of intuition and insight. With each breath, feel this indigo light expanding, sharpening your inner vision and enhancing your intuition. Trust in your inner guidance. Finally, bring your awareness to the top of your head, to your crown chakra. Visualize a brilliant violet light shining here, connecting you to the universe. As you breathe, see this violet light expanding upwards, opening you to higher consciousness and divine wisdom. Feel a sense of oneness and peace. Now, take a moment to feel all the energy centers aligned and balanced. Imagine a column of white light running through your body, connecting all your chakras. Silently repeat these affirmations. I am grounded and safe. I am creative and passionate. I am powerful and confident. I am open to giving and receiving love. I speak my truth with clarity. I trust my intuition. I am connected to divine wisdom. Take a final deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the harmony and balance within you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of alignment and peace into the rest of your day. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, comment, and subscribe to Soul Sanctuary for more guided meditations to help you heal, balance, and thrive.